अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप लोगों से सिर्फ एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि वीडियो को आखिर तक लाजमी देखें। सिर्फ यही रिक्वेस्ट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, अ हेल्थी ह्यूमन ब्रेन कंटेन डैश ऑफ सेल। आंसर ए बिलियंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ब्लड सेल आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय डैश ऑफ द बॉडी। आंसर सी बोन मैरो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द लेंथ ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ऑफ द ह्यूमन बीइंग इज। आंसर बी 16 to 18 inches. Question number 4. Light consists of dash color of a rainbow. Answer B 7. Question number 5. Vitamins associated with citric acid is. Answer C vitamin C. Question number 6. Carbon dioxide inhaled in air approximately. Answer A 0.4%. Question number 7. Which of the following is good source of vitamin C? Answer A orange. Question number 8. Only one planet in the solar system has any atmosphere, which is. Answer A Earth. Question number 9. The law of gravity was discovered by. Answer C Newton. Question number 10. The instrument used to measure the specific gravity of milk is. Answer C lactometer. Question number 11. Which component of diet helps in preventing constipation? Answer B fibers. Question number 12. Anti-cancer vitamin is. Answer B vitamin D. Question number 13. Temperature is measured using a. B thermometer. Question number 14. Metacarpal bones are found in which part of the human body? Answer C hands. Question number 15. Which gas is used in preparation of fizzy soft drink? Answer C carbon dioxide. Question number 16. Acid rain contains high level of. Answers B and C, both B and C. Question number 17. For galvanizing of iron, which of the following metal used? Answer A zinc. Question number 18. Vitamin C is essential for. Answer C growth and repair of tissue. Question number 19. Which one of the following shapes has 4 equal sides and right angle? Answer C square. Question number 20. Who postulated the theory of natural selection in evolution? Answer C Darwin. Question number 21. Which of the following vitamins is stored in liver? Answer A vitamin A. Question number 22. Food is normally digested in. Answer C small intestine. Question number 23. How many bones are there in newly born baby? Answer C 300. Question 24. The best conductor of electricity is. Answer C silver. Question 25. Velocity of sound is maximum in. Answer C steel. Question 26. Muscular and nervous disorder is due to lack of. Answer B vitamin E. Question 27. The velocity of light was first measured by. Answer C Rømer. Question 28. Who defined the law of gravitation? Answer A Newton. Question 29. Which part of the human body is affected by hepatitis C? Answer B liver. Question 30. Deficiency of iron in human diet causes. Answer C anemia. Question 31. 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles? Answer C 0.62. Question 32. Drought is one word substitution of. Answer A lack of rain. Question 33. Horsepower is standard unit of power equal to. Answer C 746 watts. Question 34. Stainless steel is mainly an alloy of. Answer A chromium and nickel. Question 35. Which symptom is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? Answer A weak bones. Question 36. Which of the following crop is most water consuming? Answer A sugarcane. Question 37. 1280 kilometers are nearly equal to. Answer B 800 miles. Question 38. The rising of the evening star indicates the. Answer A west. Question 39. The blood glucose level is commonly expressed as. Answer C milligram per deciliter. Question 40. As temperature of ice rises, the ice melts and its density. Answer B increases. Question 41. The chemical name of laughing gas is. Answer C nitrous oxide. Question 42. What type of infection is tuberculosis? Answer B bacterial. Question 43. During high temperature in summer, it is recommended to drink plenty of water to avoid answer B. Dehydration. Question 44. The inner core of an optical fiber is dash in composition. Answer A. Glass and plastic. Question 45. Which of the following medicine is administered to patients suffering from diabetes? Answer B. Insulin. Question 46. Which animal is unable to stick out its tongue? Answer C. Crocodile. Question 47. Water makes dash of our blood? Answer B. 94%. Question 48. The term that best describes the shape of the earth? Answer B. Sphere. Question 49. Parkinson is a disease of? Answer A. Brain. Question 50. The study of cancer is called oncology. A. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग। और इसके अलावा मेरे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। मैंने ये साइंस वाली